Thomastonians?
Look at all these hills.
Yes!
Okay,
Ready?
you can put this on camera or not, but we're from Florida. There are no hills.
Woo! Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
Hey, so check this out. Welcome HGTV. Is that the coolest thing ever?
Thank you guys for making us feel welcome already.
That is so cool.
Yeah! There we go. Hey, I love this town already.
Let's go meet some Thomastonians.
Oh yeah, Thomastonians it is. Is that right?
Yes.
They are great. Happens every day.
So I guess I'm buying this.
Yep, you break, you buy.
That's right.
Okay, that was graceful. Nice to meet you. I'd like to buy this broken bird cage.
Oh yeah, hanging out in Thomaston.
Let's go. All
Let's
right.
get to work.
Can I take your order?
Can I take your order?
That depends.
Did you guys order a Kickstart? Pulling into Piggy Park, first of all, I told Brian I have been waiting years to actually experience this. I've never been to a drive-through restaurant. To hit that call button was kind of cool.
Hey, you're Piggy Park.
Hey, welcome.
Joe,
Nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to
Brian.
meet you. Nice to meet you, Becca.
This place is great.
Did you still serve them after they took out your awning?
Ooh,
We
You did. Hey,
what a great
you
scene.
guys are good people. I probably would have said, get out of here.
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's staying clear.
I like this. I think it's going to be such a great solution for this business.
Guys somehow trusted Mika with the blower. Hey! Oh! All right, so we need to demo these countertops and make sure that they stop talking.
Look at it, look at it, look at it. Nice. For one piece.
Oh man, these countertops are giving up a fight, but we don't give up that easily.
And we did it without damaging anything on the inside. Yeah, nobody's answering.
Nobody's answering. We need help. We need help here at Piggy Park.
I can't tell if I'm left-handed or right-handed on this.
Go. Oh, no!
Back.
Bye-bye.
Ooh, I don't miss it. Not at all.
Oh, are you serious?
Can you flick it?
Wow.
Yep.
Limbo, limbo.
Oh, God.
How low can you go? We have done a ton of demos so far, but we have a lot to do. So time to get back at it.
Oh, absolutely. You ready?
Let's do it. See you guys. Bye.